안녕하세요. This might be the last day of 2020 by the time I upload this video. And I wanted to take this as an opportunity to thank you for following my content and striving to learn Korean with me. Looking back at this year, how satisfied are you about your progress? Did you meet your goals? If you did, I congratulate you. But if you didn't, please don't get discouraged. Keep in mind that as long as you're on the right track, you will get there eventually. That's why it's time to reflect whether you're on the right track or fell far off from it. Either way, I'm sure there are many of us who had setback during 2020. As you all know, it was really unexpected year. And we all had to go through ups and downs throughout the year. However, in this channel, we should all encourage each other to achieve goals. What is goal? If you have ambiguous goals, that's more like a dream. The clearer the goals are, the more likely you're gonna achieve them. So how do you have clarity in your life? This answer just doesn't fall on your lap. You will get the clarity by having curiosity and asking continuous questions. If then, you can refine your goals and have clarity in your life. So tomorrow it's 2021. You may be motivated more than ever, as that's what usually happens. Motivation doesn't usually last long, so make sure you build momentum while the motivation still lasts, so that when you don't feel like it, you still show up. That's the power of habits. By closing, I'm gonna give you 3 questions. You need to answer them. Number 1, what is my goal? Number 2, am I on the right track? Number 3, what was my biggest mistake in 2020 that I won't repeat in the new year? And I wish you all Happy New Year and enjoy the rest of the time with your loved ones. Stay healthy and stay happy. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 그럼 안녕.